At any given moment, you get up in the morning time, mind your business. Look at this. And why is Shirley up there? Why? Why? Then she turning that way like I can't see her. Like she invincible. Like if she see how they even turn my little white things down. Shirley! Like I can't see her. See? That's the foolishness I deal with on the Fosterosa. Won't even move like I'm slow. Look at that. Now she looking at me. Get down! And she pregnant. Don't even need to be up there. That's what I deal with. Don't nobody do this but Shirley and Rose. Well, Willie, he could be a little throwed off sometime too, but Shirley and Rose. Something in the bloodline, I guess. But look at that.